Evolution is what brought you here. But only a revolution will bring you to leadership in the automotive industry. Turn your production facilities into smart factories to revolutionize manufacturing with Siemens Smart Manufacturing. As an automaker, you must find the keys to becoming more agile and resilient while accelerating innovation and managing increased complexity to ensure you meet all sustainability and regulatory targets faster than the competition. Implement a centralized, cyber-secure source of real-time data and make it available to the entire cloud-based ecosystem to facilitate knowledge sharing, standardization, production scheduling, planning, and global collaboration. Drive predictive insights, increase uptime, and improve output efficiency, connecting the manufacturing processes in a closed-loop simulation environment to reach increased factory automation, better process optimization, and higher cost savings. Revolutionize with intelligent manufacturing using state-of-the-art manufacturing hardware and software to intelligently turn your production lines into autonomous, self-organizing operational environments with Siemens Smart Manufacturing. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.